Hey YouTube, today is going to be a good day. Not only because I'm doing a YouTube video, it's also because I'm going fishing. Yep, you heard me correct. I'm going fishing for the first time in forever. I'm gonna bring a frog. I got my fishing backpack. I'm bringing a frog. My lure is a frog and just my rod is a bait caster. We're not using any weights. This is rappel. Oh shoot, I should probably put that on. But yeah. If y'all didn't know, my legs look horrible. Mosquitoes love my legs. But basically what's all in my fishing bag is just water, sunscreen, and oh yeah, rappel. I just put rappel on that. This is a golf club in case I run into a dog. But yeah, let's go get Okay, we're ready to go. Hopefully the door isn't locked to the shop. You serious? You serious right now, bro? I know where the key is. Bunch of wasps over here. We're good though. But yeah, we're gonna be looking for some bass today. Got a frog on there, and I got a bait casting reel. So this will be fun. We got to lock the shop up. We don't have to lock it up. We're good. Neighbors working on the deck. Gets stinking annoying sometimes. But we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. But we're gonna have to ask someone if we could fish. So, because there's a pond in somebody's backyard. You might be asking, Case, don't you live by a lake? Yeah, but there ain't no bass out there. Just crappie and brim. And I can't fish because you have to stay close to the bank, and I get limbs. I get stinking limbs. We might catch a few today, but I don't know. I have no idea. I've never fished in this pond. I live near it though. I'm walking. My dad offered me a car rod, but we should be good. Like I said, if I get really thirsty, I have water in my backpack. I have a golf club in case a dog wants to attack me. This woman does have a beware of dog. So yeah, I might talk a little quiet because my neighbors would probably think I'm crazy if I'm talking to my phone. Or they might think I have no sense. But I'll tell you a couple stories when I get down there. couple fishing stories and what I heard today from church. We just got out of church, so yeah. If you live in Arkansas or in the area of Conway, Mountain View, Clinton, Russellville, check out the church called NLC. If I get in a fight, then I'm screwed. I'm not gonna end the video just for my sake of defense. This guy's crazy. He called the cops on us for leaving my dog outside. Well, we had to leave for a trip. Nobody was dog sitting, so he put 4 bowls of water outside and he called the cops because my dog died. 8 bowls out there. 4 was for food, 4 was for water, and yeah. So that basically sums it up of how crazy he is. My dog just wouldn't take a, sip of water. But yeah. So if I get in a fight, I'm keeping this on.
I hate to do that.
Well, she's getting a phone call from me tomorrow.
Why? Sure.
I'm gonna let her know it's all done.
We're walking over here to the lady's front yard. I'm gonna put y'all down for a second. And yeah, so yeah.
Whatever.
I was gonna ask if I could fish your backyard.
Sure, go right ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go. So there's a pond in her backyard. And it's kind of murky. I might get bit by a snake today, but I doubt it. Beautiful backyard, oh my goodness. Dude. Here's what the pond looks like. So yeah, I just saw a turtle whop in. I don't know where I'm gonna fish, but I know something. I know I'm gonna put my backpack right here. Just put my backpack right there. I don't know where I'm gonna prop y'all guys up. That sucks. Oh shoot, I see a turtle. I just saw a turtle. My bad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, perfect. Alright guys, so in the process of trying to fish, I wrapped my line around my pole like a DA. And if this frog will hit y'all, please. Come on. Oh, so close. There you go, it hit y'all. So, just basically fishing for bass, topwater. Probably gonna get bit by a snake. but I'm gonna go right back to fishing. Guys, do you know what I'm doing wrong? What the heck? Look what I caught, guys. Look what I caught. You'll never believe this. First catch of the day, dude. Guys, what am I doing wrong? Oops. Oopies. Oopies. There y'all go. There you go. Oh my goodness. There you go. I swear to gosh. Okay, here it is. guys, I'm gonna accept that I can't fish. I got backlash, but look at there, I just fixed it. So, suck on it, I guess. Guys, I think I'm gonna switch locations. TBH. Cause this place ain't working for me. This place ain't working for me, man. So, I've been fishing out here for maybe 10 minutes, but taking a break. But guys, that's it. Hope y'all have a great day, and I'm gonna try to catch some more fish. I will post part 2 in a couple minutes, so bye.